Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a simple cinnamon and banana dessert. And what you need is a nice clean pan, your knife, some lovely ripe bananas, some cinnamon mixed with sugar, and a bit of butter and water if needed. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some of the sugar here in the pan just to get it a little bit caramelized. I'm going to add a bit of butter to it just to get it going. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. See it start to come together. You get your banana. While it's going, you just sprinkle the rest of sugar on top. And what I'm going to do is spoon some of it over. Also, what you can do, or you can just give them a bit of turn. it's ready. This is what it look like. So what I'm gonna do, I just get a plate to put it on. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spoon them into a glass. And I'm gonna add a cherry onto it. There you go. There you have it, guys. Cinnamon and banana dessert. You can also add ice cream with it if you prefer that. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comment. Peace be. Here's a bit of ice cream, a bit of cherry. That's for decoration. There you have it, guys. Please remember to share, subscribe, like, and leave positive comment. Peace be unto you.